Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am Parjit once again with chapter number 17 of environmental study. The title of this chapter is communication today, and through this video I am going to explain some subtopics of this chapter. So let's begin the class. EVS chapter number 17. Chapter number what? 17. The title of this chapter is what? Communication today. This is the fourth part of this chapter. And through this video I am going to explain about mass communication. Mass communication. First we will try to know or learn about what is mass communication. इन हिंदी मास कम्युनिकेशन कहते किसे हैं, पहले ये जानेंगे कि मास कम्युनिकेशन होता क्या है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द मास दिस मास कम्युनिकेशन. इट मींस शेयरिंग, SHARING, sharing the same information and ideas, sharing the same information and ideas with a large number of people, of people, sharing the same information and ideas with a large number of people at a time is called mass communication. Mass communication. Okay, so you can see that I have written on the board definition of mass communication: sharing the same information and ideas with a large number of people at a time is called mass communication. मतलब अगर हम लोगों को मैसेज देना है, किसी को कुछ मैसेज देना है, किसी को कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है, कुछ आइडिया शेयर करना चाहते हैं और चाहते हैं कि बहुत सारे लोगों को एक बार में एक समय में पता चले, एक ही मैसेज सभी को पता चले, तो उससे हम लोग मास कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं. Now I am going to write some example of means of mass communication. Okay, means of mass communication. Means of mass communication है क्या? कौन कौन सा एग्जाम्पल होगा मीन्स ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन में? सो फर्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर्स, टेलीविजन, रेडियो and one more, internet. So these are some example of means of mass communication: newspaper, television, radio, internet. Every day most of the people read newspaper. Newspaper vendors delivered or reached this newspaper to our house, and through this newspaper we get lots of information, lots of event, lots of knowledge which already event around us in our country as well as another country. न्यूज़पेपर के द्वारा जो है हम लोग प्रतिदिन हम लोग के घरों में न्यूज़पेपर आता है, हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं. तो न्यूज़पेपर से क्या होता है, जो अगल बगल घटनाएं घटी है हमारे देश में, दूसरे राज्यों में, दूसरे देशों में, वो सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को कौन देता है? न्यूज़पेपर. newspapers tell us about some event around our uh, country or another country. Same things. Television is also an example of means of mass communication. This is this is a medium which gives some information visually and ऑडियली, मतलब ऑडियो एंड विजुअल ये दोनों तरीके से जो है टेलीविजन हम लोगों को इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. वी सी सो मेनी थिंग्स और सो मेनी इवेंट program on the television which are running around us. Radio is another means of mass communication. On radio we listen lots of program or information. And internet nowadays internet is the most helpful means of mass communication for us. We get information. I hope all of you have understood the definition of this mass communication, means of mass communication. I am going to write about something. I am going to write something about internet. Internet is what? Internet, we get information we get information on almost everything. everything, everything on the internet. It is also called storehouse of information. Internet, we get information on almost everything on the internet. It is also called storehouse of information. इंटरनेट को स्टोर हाउस इंफॉर्मेशन का बोला जाता है. जो भी चीज़ चाहे, किसी भी तरह का जानकारी लेना है, जो भी नॉलेज लेना है, जो भी ज्ञान लेना है, हम लोग हर समय कहीं पर भी जो है इंटरनेट से प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. इसके बाद है एक चीज़ और जुड़ा हुआ है, वो है, एक बता देता हूँ मैं. When we write letter, so 6 boxes had given on the postcard or on inland letter. So on that boxes we write pin. First we will try to learn about what is the meaning of this pin. Pin code, PIN, pin code. What is the full form of this pin code? The full form of this pin code is postal. P for postal, I for index, postal index, N for number, postal index number. This is a full form of pin code. This postal index number to represent the working area of particular post office. ये पोस्टल इंडेक्स नंबर से पता चलता है कि हाँ, यह जो पोस्ट ऑफिस है वो किस एरिया में वर्क कर रहा है. So students, through this video we have learnt about mass communication and means of mass communication, as well as full form of postal index number. It means pin code. I hope all of you have understood these things very well. Thank you.